Everyone wants success, but most people don't know the real secret to getting it. Today, I'm going to share a story that proves one thing. Without these two qualities, no matter how big your dreams are, success will slip through your fingers. Stick with me until the end. You don't want to miss this. In a small, quiet town, there lived an old wise man. Every day, he sat by the river and said the same thing over and over. You will get what you want. You will get what you want. People walking by thought he was crazy. No one really listened. One day, a young man named David was walking past when he heard the words. Something clicked. He stopped, walked up to the old man and asked, "Sir, do you really mean that we can get anything we want? If so, can you help me get what I want?" The old man smiled. "Yes, I can help you, but there's one rule. You must truly believe my words and follow them. Now tell me, what is it that you want?" David didn't hesitate. "I want to be rich. I want to become a top diamond and pearl trader." The elder's eyes lit up. "Good. Your dream can come true. I'll give you the tools to create more diamonds and pearls than you can imagine." Then, placing his hand on David's palm, he said, "Here is the most valuable diamond in the world. Its name is time. Hold it tight, never waste it, because with it, you can create anything you dream of." David nodded thoughtfully. The old man placed his other hand on David's second palm and continued, "And this is the second greatest treasure, a pearl called patience. When things don't go your way, hold on to it. Patience can turn your efforts into success when nothing else seems to work." David understood. These two gifts, time and patience, were more precious than anything else in the world. He promised himself that from this day forward, he would never waste a moment and would remain patient no matter what challenges came his way. He started working under a leading diamond trader, learning everything carefully, working hard, and staying patient. Slowly but surely, David became one of the most successful diamond traders in the country. Look at your own life for a moment. We all have dreams, right? But poor time management and impatience keep us from achieving them. The truth is, time and patience are the keys to every goal. No one is stronger than time, and no treasure is greater than patience. If you respect time and embrace patience, there's nothing you cannot achieve. Keep these two treasures with you always. They are the secret to getting whatever you want. If this story inspired you, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting stories. I'll be back soon with another powerful story. Until then, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.